Hello guys, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest update. This is the weekend edition of our weather analysis, English version, for today, Saturday until Monday, April 5 to 7, 2025. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, sustainable with you. If you're interested, just click on the link up here, or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with you. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. And let's begin with our update. As we experience the start of the hot fly season, there are still some tidbits of thunderstorms around parts of the country, particularly over Visayas, Mindanao, and portions of southern Luzon, central Luzon as well. And these are the post effects of La Niña. Although it has ended, we have still the effects for the next 3 months. So during the hot fly season, we experience this kind of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. So expect lots of that during the next few months. Okay, and let's hope there's no tropical cyclone or storm, typhoons that could affect our country in the next couple of months. But we are here to bring you the very latest whenever there will be one forming. Okay. Here's the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. We have here a surface trough over Mindanao. It is starting to dissipate during the nighttime. And this is from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page, fast animation, Himawari 9. And right now it has dissipated, but Sunday afternoon, Monday afternoon, until Wednesday afternoon, there will be lots of thunderstorms expected across most parts of Mindanao, and it will extend farther here over the Visayas. And I'm gonna show to you later the latest forecast, the rain forecast from the ECMWF, or the European model, courtesy of windy.com. Here's the zoom in satellite animation from Windy, and this is beginning around 6 p.m. of Saturday until around 11 p.m. And as you can see here, these are isolated scattered rain showers and thunderstorms across Mindanao and extending towards Palawan and Visayas. There are some showers also being experienced over the Bicol region, parts of Camarines Sur. And here's the forecast for tomorrow, Sunday, April 6. There are some thunderstorms affecting Mindanao, and this will be occurring by Sunday afternoon. Okay, and then over southern parts of the Visayas, some portions of northern and central Luzon, including Metro Manila, southern Tagalog, parts of Bicol will also experience some isolated showers or thunderstorms. And on Monday afternoon, another round of thunderstorms across Visayas, becoming more frequent over Mindanao, parts of Bicol, western Luzon, particularly Ilocos region. And Tuesday afternoon, there might be still another round of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across area of Cordillera Administrative Region, and also here over the southern Tagalog provinces, portions of Bicol region, Camarines Sur included, so there might be showers Tuesday afternoon. And Mindoro as well, Palawan, Visayas, becoming more frequent over Mindanao. And on Wednesday afternoon, there might be some lesser thunderstorm activity. There might still be showers over Ilocos region and the Cordillera Administrative region, but not much. Okay, so Wednesday we might be seeing some clear conditions all throughout the day. But on Tuesday, when we return, we're going to give you the very latest on that one. So the rainfall accumulation, 24-hour rainfall accumulation forecast on Sunday, most of the rainfall are concentrated over Mindanao. And April 7, Monday, Mindanao as well, including Visayas, Palawan, parts of Luzon. And Tuesday, decreasing rainfall accumulation over Palawan and Mindanao. And on Wednesday, we might be seeing much drier conditions across most parts of the country. Okay, so we will stop there since the forecast changes every day. So the forecast more than 5 days will be highly uncertain. Okay, low probability, so we will stick to up to 4 to 5 days. Okay, and for the wind forecast, it will be mainly by tomorrow, Sunday, April 6, until, let me move this, 7, 8, and 9, it will be purely easterlies. Okay, these are the warm easterlies from the Pacific during the month of April through May or June. So depending on the onset of the southwest monsoon, which is expected by June, and there might be a small circulation forming here, okay, here over to the south of Palau, but this is not yet an active LPA, just a small circulation nearing LPA status, so nothing to worry about. And for the latest on the Global Tropics Hazards Outlook issued last Wednesday, and this is valid, and this is coming from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, valid for the next 2 to 3 weeks, wherein the third week is highly uncertain. Week 2, valid April 9 to April 15, Philippines will remain normal. No above average or below average rainfall, it's just normal, okay? And week 3, which is highly uncertain, April 16 to 22, as we move into the Lenten season, it looks like everything is alright, okay? Hot dry season with some showers or thunderstorms will continue to be the dominant climate conditions across the country. So there you go, that's the weekend edition of our update, and we will return next week on likely on Tuesday, April 8, for another update. From Typhoon2000, this is Mike Padua saying happy weekend to all. Stay safe always, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.